On today's episode of Watch Jericho, we are back with the Car Crusher. What is going on, guys? I am Watch Jericho, and today, like I said, we are back with the Car Crusher. I know it's loud, they're fully operating today, but it's like 50 degrees outside, maybe 54 right now. An amazing day for being the middle or the end of December almost. So here we are back where we left off a couple of days ago. It was much colder and much harder to work that day. Today, I have to just absolutely get after it and get everything over here terminated and everything over there terminated while Dad's working over here and he's pulling in some wire. Well, we're both pulling in this wire, but it's not going into the Liquitite very well. So we're working on that. Work portion is over there in an unfortunate situation, of course. I realized I needed my truck last night, but it was too late. I was already halfway home. So let's make some progress today, guys. I'm pretty excited about this. We are planning on turning the power on today as long as everything's terminated. We're trying to pull the wire into the Liquitite, and it looks like it's hitting that insert's so small in 3/8.
Well, yeah, 3/8. This is actually the 1/2 inch one that I'm putting on it. The problem was, it's a very well-made piece, and when they made it, they made a high-quality end by rolling the end back inside. And this little lip right here,
catching the wire,
is that. So now I just took that out of the inside. I'll scrape this out to get rid of any edge, but I had to grind that bottom off
and then deburr it.
And deburr it. So I've never had to do that ever in my life, but that's this metric cord. This thing was made in Italy, so everything on it's metric, and I'm replacing metric parts with some SAE parts. And you can see we're doing a little deburring.
I can see that, yeah, totally.
So, okay, now this should slide over the wire, so then we can put it together.
I had all my weight on the fish tape, jerking it as hard as I could, and we couldn't get it through there. And it didn't pull the end off, so it was I'd say that was a really good end. Anyone who knows about that fish tape life knows about pulling the end off your wire. Running out of daylight fast, but this entire valve train is wired now. Took quite a while, but it's all done, all sealed up. A few of these valves are still gonna get replaced because they had like bent pins and stuff like that. I bent them back, but we marked them to go ahead and be replaced. There's no point in putting them in and seeing a failure down the road. So the connectors are ready at least, and they're also on there. They'll get swapped out down the road because, well, it's just the solenoids. It's like a 2-second job. The valve itself actually stays. You want to see something cool here? This is what we're replacing, the solenoid, and you just go like that. So that's what we're going to swap out over there, a couple of those guys, and now I'm going to start over here and wire up all these solenoids, so it won't take me too long. I'll probably be here for the next 30 minutes. I bet I can do 5 or 6 of these things in 30 minutes. Also, this is the first time all day this place calmed down. It's been wild. Track hose running non-stop, trains in and out, moving some metal. Is it just like a float?
Yeah.
Oh, ouch.
Yeah, it's got a float. These look good.
Yeah, those laid out really well. So we got all of these solenoids wrapped up. The filter switches need put on still. It's like the last thing, and that last solenoid over there where I ran out of, I don't have a gasket for it. So pretty much there.
Yeah, so we'll get the these switches on, and they're not very good shape. They're kind of busted up.
Yeah, they're looking rough. And then of course there's a tip sender, a probe in the side of the tank down there. We pretty much got everything on there today, so not bad. These guys are rolling out of here because it's 4, and of course it's the day before Christmas Eve, so everyone's done. But yeah, this whole side here done. This is basically done, although we just pulled in what, 12 more wires that need to run down to that end.
Yeah. So we got these wires terminate right here. And I just found out the Liquitite's bad going up there to that end. I got up and did some more investigation, so we got to pull that piece in. So we got another day's work to terminate those wires. And then the whole machine
Is wired.
well, I'm missing one limit switch, which I ordered the switch, which goes back here. And then as soon as
that one that's hanging down.
yeah, as soon as that limit switch is, which it should be here Monday, and we got to weld a plate on for it to hold it. So then, as soon as that's done, we are ready to start working on hydraulics. So
Nice.
we're not far
Yep.
from hydraulics. We may be a long ways from the finish line, but we're at least we'll have the controls going. And
I do think all the wires are separated. We could have turned it on, but
well, we still got a little bit left.
doesn't buy us anything turning it on.
Yeah, except maybe some fuses.
Yeah, well, it helps problem solving.
Right. Well, we're not far away.
Yep. Cool.
All right. That's it. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah.
That's it for Watch SR Go.
Well, we did not get as much done today as we expected on the car crusher, although it kind of was what we expected. Basically, every single thing is wired, but we still have another day of work before that thing turns on for real. And even then, there's no hydraulic fluid in it yet, and it's still missing one of the hydraulic lines, one of the main pump lines. So we can't push the start button, but we were gonna turn it on, power it up, and see what happened. And I think we would have found at least a lot out about the machine really fast. Probably better to just leave it alone though and finish this up another day. So we'll be back on it very soon. It is Christmas Eve. It's just a few minutes till Christmas Eve. So I hope you guys have a great holiday. We'll be celebrating tomorrow. I know a lot of you guys will as well, and then Christmas dinner, all that good stuff. So go have fun with your families. And all Christmas Day, actually, I'll be working on the Diamante because for some reason you guys love a Diamante. And the Australians showed up in force to say that it's called a Magna and you guys have a billion of them. We do not have a billion of them in the US. Also, the ones you guys have, like the Rally Art, look way cooler. But I went ahead and bought some parts for a Diamante, even though I already had it sold. We're gonna work on that all Christmas Day and the day after, I think. And then we should be just about wrapped on the Diamante. It'll be back to being a driver. But we're gonna make the Diamante a diamond in like one day. Anyway, I just wanted to say that, and we'll be pretty much done with the car crusher in the next video. It'll be on. The lights will come on, and it's gonna get external lighting. It's gonna get a lot of cool stuff. And then sometime down the road, once all the hydraulic stuff's done, they're manufacturing one of those hydraulic cylinders. We'll be able to actually watch it do its magic. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop.watchjrgo.com for cool shirts, not like this. The website may be working again soon. We've been trying to get it fixed for a while now. And please, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Here's a GTR cold start, because I'm going to go have fun for the holidays. Also, GTR cold starts are why I have to start the car with the garage door closed and let it completely idle down before I leave. takes like a full minute for me to be able to open my garage door to take this out.